we've got Leslie here at NavVis, and they have just won a major swag award for me for their GeoWeek Denver Bier Steins. I can't wait to put a nice cold lager in there. And let's see what else we got, because you know today's Valentine's Day, and I'm all about the little presents, the little boxes.
Yeah, it's a little tiny box.
Tiny box.
What do you have in here?
Okay, let's see. OMG, are you kidding me? That is so right. Did you guys 3D print that?
Yes, we did.
Holy.
Yes, we did.
Okay, so I love this, and I said that this was the fanciest scanner I've ever worn, but honestly, that might be the fanciest scanning ring anybody's ever worn. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Oh my gosh. wait, but there's more.
Oh yes.
Triple whammy here. These guys came prepared. You're the point of my interest. I love it.
And these all have little NavVis sayings, or we have hashtag number 413.
Oh my God.
Build better reality.
NavVis just keeps it coming. Yay, thank